Dad. Meron ako 500 pesos. Gusto ko na magka-EDC, pero kaya na ba yun?
In fact, we can do that lesser than 500 pesos pa eh.
We? 450.
Lesser pa.
400?
Lesser pa.
350.
Yes, we can do that. Actually, I
Uy.
prepared a list. Ito isa-isayin natin. Number 1, high energy bar. Oh, yan. High energy bar. Parati kong dala to. 93 pesos lang to online. Okay? Pwede nang orderin. Next, triangular bandage. Oh, baligtad ba ulit? Hindi. 39 pesos lang yan. Emergency blanket. This is only about 30 pesos online. Oh, baligtad ba? Hindi. 30 pesos yan. Okay? Whistle. Ang walang kamatayang whistle. This is for 15 pesos. You can even buy at 11 pesos. Maraming mura na brand. Okay? Flashlight is about 37 pesos or less. Maraming mga bago ngayon. Ito, actually, napulot ko lang sa bahay. Pakalat-kalat. Kaya kinuha ko. Ang mas mahal is the tactical pen. The tactical pen is about 102 pesos or more. Merong mas mahal. Pero pwede na to. Kasi magagamit mo to for self-defense. Pangalawa, for escape sa mga glasses sa windows. Pag nasa public transport ka. Okay? And lastly, you need to bring always mask. Okay? To 3M mask na para mas maganda. 45 pesos. Isa lang yan. Okay? Parati na lang dyan sa EDC bag natin. Now, all this, 324 pesos lang. Chicken. I mean, you can afford that kasi you don't have to spend so much. Ang kapalit naman yan ay safety ng buhay mo at paano maliligtas yung buhay mo. Right? But if you want to learn more about complete preparedness, I suggest you buy this book. Basahin ninyo kasama mo yung mga anak mo. Nandito nakalista in all basic explanation, simple explanation about the different kinds of preparedness kits. Sabay nito, yung sa pang book is itong about the go bag. Okay? I think your kids will enjoy reading this book kasama kayo na pagbabasahin nyo to. Kayong dalawa. Okay? Thank you very much and you can find this in Lazada. Bye-bye!